Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell. And I finally got the Galaxy Buds, so I actually bought this separately, but I don't know. FedEx just seemed to be taking their time today. The one day I get my phone, and the one day I'm actually looking forward to it, but whatever, let's just get into it. So, Samsung Galaxy Buds, the Gear IconX successor here, and a wireless charge. So we gotta check these things out. And I know the S10 isn't here. I know I could wait for the S10 too, but I was gonna do the unboxing separately anyway. So yeah, I'm actually gonna be posting this after the S10 video, so don't get all confused and all that. But let's just go around this. And also the Galaxy Tab S4 and the Galaxy S8 here to see if that instant pair thing works or not. So we got buds here on the front in this colorful design here. They said this is an eco-friendly box, so that's nice. And next to the Gear IconX, it's like a way smaller box, like way smaller. And it looks nicer too, so I like that. So just get into this. Buds here on the front, and on the right side we have 6 hours of playtime, and then we have clear call quality, wireless charging, and designed for comfort and stability. On the back we got all that info I really don't want to read, so you can go ahead and pause that and read it for yourself if you want. On the left side we got Samsung Galaxy Buds. At the bottom we just got some information. At the top we just got Samsung logo. Okay, let's just get into it. So I think these are the Samsung Unpacked versions. I actually got this off of eBay. I think it says Samsung Unpacked, so yeah, just letting you know that. Let's just get this out of here, and this is like a way smaller case to the Gear IconX. Like, let's just look at these real quick. So I kind of like how the Samsung logo is just like embedded in the case rather than just on here on the Galaxy Buds, but whatever. But the case is just like way smaller. Like I could definitely feel how much smaller it is. And at the back we both got USB Type-C on there, so that's cool. Getting into the rest of the box here, which isn't really that much, so I think it's just the charger and the earpieces. So yeah, that's what it looks like. We got the charger here, which is a USB Type-C cord, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and get that out there, and then we just have the extra earpieces in there, like I said, so cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and unlock these things real quick, and I want to see about the instant pairing and see if this works. Maybe it's just an S10 thing, I don't know. But let's just go ahead and open these things. It's supposed to just show up, but I mean, it doesn't look like it's showing up so far. For the Gear IconX, I know, oh, whoa, it's actually showing on the tablet. I did not expect that because the Gear IconX doesn't show like that, and I just closed it on accident. But okay, that's cool. So it actually shows on the Galaxy Tab S4. Let's just go ahead and open that again and watch this. So it actually shows on both of them. So Galaxy Buds here and then Galaxy Buds here. That's nice. We're actually gonna do it on here though. So let's go ahead and hit connect, and then it's gonna go and pop up here. So I need to update Galaxy Wearable, it looks like, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. But okay, that's really cool. I didn't expect it to show up on the Galaxy Tab S4 because like I said, the Gear IconX doesn't do that. It shows up, but only shows up on the phone. So I mean, I like that. So I don't think it's as fast as the Galaxy S10, but maybe it's just somewhere around there. I don't know, it's nice though to have. And it keeps showing up here, so now it says Latrell's Galaxy Buds once it connected, so that's nice too. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds, I appreciate it, Samsung. You can have all the money I have. Just kidding, no you can't. So let's just go and set this up real quick. Go and hit next here because I don't want notifications to show up on there, and I mean, that was pretty quick, simple, cool. But one thing that the Gear IconX has that the Galaxy Buds doesn't have is the actual onboard storage. So you can actually put your music on here. On here, you can't do that. I guess that's why it's kind of smaller and they just did other improvements and all that, but cool. So we're gonna go ahead and update these things real quick because just get it out the way, I guess. It's only 1.30 megabytes as you can see here, so I'm just going to let that update real quick and I'll go ahead and listen to them. But let's go and take these both out of the box here. So let's just go ahead and look at these side by side. And let's see the size comparison. So this is the Gear IconX, this is the Galaxy Buds. You could definitely see it smaller. Not like crazy smaller, but you could definitely see it smaller, so I like that. And does the Gear IconX fit in the Galaxy Buds case? Doesn't look like it. But looking at the cases inside here, they're basically the same thing except this is like way smaller and it has that little blue color to it, which I like for the white versions. And this actually clips in here, so the Galaxy Buds just close like that like a magnet, but the Gear IconX just pops open like that. And on the Galaxy Buds you have to do this. So it's a magnet on here and it's just a latch on here, so I kind of like the Galaxy Buds better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little sound test of these Galaxy Buds, and they're like way smaller, man. But let's just go ahead and do a sound test real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some Spotify and see how it sounds. Okay, so I just listened to these and I think the Gear IconX may sound better, to be honest with you. Like, I think that there's more bass in here. I'm not sure if it's louder, but I think there's more bass in here. And I heard some people complain that on the left side of the Gear IconX that they can't really hear it as good as the right side, so I'm gonna see if that happens over time with the Galaxy Buds. Hopefully not, but I don't really have that problem. I mean, these are bigger at the same time, and these do actually fit a lot better in my ears, but I don't know, maybe I'm gonna just go ahead and play some more music, you know, see how over time if it gets better or not. We'll see. So yeah, those are the Galaxy Buds. So I will actually take a smaller form factor and a little bit less decreased sound quality over having this bigger one. But I don't know, like I said, I'll see over time if it sounds better or not, because I know if you break into headphones or speakers, they actually sound better over time, so I'll see about that. But that was pretty much it, guys, so thanks for watching. I'm gonna have the Galaxy S10. Oh, actually no, I already did the Galaxy S10 unboxing, but yeah, I'm gonna do some more videos on the S10 and the Buds and all that. I know I'm like really late, but I mean, they came late, so that was pretty much it, so thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out. And quick update here, they actually changed the mesh on here. I don't know if you can really call it mesh or not, but it looks metal now, so I think that problem's been solved.